Home Remedies presents
a magical decoction to eliminate excess mucus and phlegm. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a magical remedy to help you clear excess mucus and at the same time get immediate relief from cold, cough, light fever and bronchitis. It will also cure swollen throat glands. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. According to modern research, basil leaves or tulsi have antibacterial and antiviral activity that helps to cure cold in a natural way. So my today's decoction is based on the basil leaves. Let's see how to prepare this remedy that will give complete cure within 2 days. You will require ingredients: basil leaves 11 leaves, black pepper 7 crushed corns, ginger crushed 5 grams, water 200 ml. How to prepare? Firstly, boil the water in a pan with all the 3 ingredients for 8 to 10 minutes. Strain the decoction into a cup and drink it hot. It is better to lie down on bed for some time after drinking it and cover your whole body with comforter. You will get relief immediately from cold, cough, light fever and bronchitis, but repeat it for 2 to 3 days. The best time to drink is before going to bed. You can take it twice a day. This home remedy can also be used for children, but the quantity will be half. For children, you can add some sugar and milk in the decoction.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.